Alright, so I need to drop by on Lowe's because I'm out of stock of boxes that need to ship out on Boat or StockX. So that's what I use. Already here on the outlet checking out the Adidas because I just received the notification this morning that they're gonna have a 50% off. So hey, we're gonna check it out. What do they have? What we can flip? What are the good things that we could resell? So let's go. So as you can see, additional 50% off. This should be good. Stan Smith, $49.97 with additional 50% off. Done issue. This one is 65 minus 50. Done issue with the color crayons. $70 with additional 50% off. Well, look at the D-Rose, $60 minus 50% off. Another done issue, $80 minus 50. We got Cross M, 55 minus 50. Okay, so we got Harden Volume 5. This is 110 minus 50% off. For in men's section, ZX 889 minus 50. Swift Run 85 minus 50. EQT Gazelle 110 minus 50. LA Trainer 3 $99.97 minus 50% off. And then we got the NMD R1 Triple Red 140 minus 50% off. We got some Gazelle Advance 100, nice color, nice weight, minus 50%. And this one Superstar Pure 69.99 minus 50. We got another Superstar. This is 100 minus 50. That should be $50. And another Arizona Superstar. That should be $50. More Arizona 50. Oh, dude, this a steal. Lycon 94, $39.95 minus 50% off. Ooh, not bad. That is a steal. We also got some steel Americana High, $59.97 with additional 50% off. This one's not bad though. Americana High as well, $69 with the 50. Nice. Match Break Super, $70. How about this one? 4.5, $79.97. More done issue down here, $100 minus 50, $50. How about this one? Harden Step Back, $69.97, so minus 50% off. Harden Volume 5 Future Nature, that is $130 minus 50% off. Pro Bounce 2019, $79.97, additional 50% off. And how about the Next Level, $129.97 with the 50% off. We got some steel indoor football. We got some Nemesis, $60. Alright, so we are in Boost, Ultra Boost. They don't have 50, but this one is 119, another 119, mostly 119 Ultra Boost. DNA's Ultra Boost 20, another Ultra Boost here, 119. Mostly Ultra Boost is 119. Hey, Ultra Boost Sea Dry. This one is not bad. 129 Ultra Boost. This one is Supernova. 120 minus 50. Another Supernova. This one another Ultra Boost Sea Dry, $129.97. Here at women's section, 119 as well on those Ultra Boost, except for the Sea Dry. So I don't know what's going on with this one. 129. More here, Ultra Boost, 119, 119, Triple Black, 119. The Ultra Boost 20, 119. The Ultra Boost 21, 180. Oh, excluded in the discount. Alright, so that's it here on the women's section. Alright, so this one is, we're gonna pick it up. So Adidas outlet came through today, and that 50% off discount was a massive steal. That's why I had to pick up a few ones, starting off with this Harden Volume 5. The sticker says it's 110, and pick up the last two pair of 6.5. So here we go. Boom! Look at those colorway. Man, it is very colorful with that what kind of butterfly flower. It is crazy color, and it's crazy paddings inside. After the discount, I think this one is went down to 41, 45. Not bad for this pair of basketball shoes for grade school, and 4 pair of this Ultra Boost. I need a tip for you to look out in the Adidas outlet. Have to look for the 15% off. Sometimes they have 40, but Ultra Boost right now they are on 119. That's still high because you could buy Ultra Boost 19, Ultra Boost 20 around $80 to $90. And this Ultra Boost C Dry is $129.97 with the additional 50% off. So there we go. Man, okay, that is crazy. So I have the another C Dry with a different colorway. The one that I have, this one is the one pair on this one, but I mean 2 pairs of this one. This kind of silvery or white here. The other pair comes with the orange, but mostly they are just the same. It's a different color around here. After the discount came down to 48 plus tax, and that is a massive discount, wherein Ultra Boost they are retailed to 180 and got them for 48, and then plus tax, so that is a massive discount. So whew, man, I wish I could have my family with me so that I could grab more, but unfortunately I'm just on my own today. I just dropped by and check out what do they have, but hey, that 50% is 50% off, it is a massive steal. So what do you think of this pickup on the Adidas outlet today? I hope you like this video, and if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you next time.